The one thing is, and kind of simple when I say it this way, but make it an initiative, right? So make sure the CEO has a quote saying, this is what we're doing for veterans, or, in our case, we went through a CEO transition last year, but even with that, we maintained that same posture and that same kind of aggressive nature of an initiative. So we did transition initiatives with that. And so now we have one called Helping Our Heroes. And we've defined that as effectively helping veterans get careers with Smithfield Foods, veterans and their spouses and families, working with the veterans in the communities in which we serve and operate, and then supporting veteran-owned small businesses as part of our procurement strategy. So for us, it's a major initiative. You've got a logo that goes with it. We throw it in everything that we do when it comes to talking about veteran programs, and then that starts to trickle down internally to say, what am I doing for, in this case, Helping Our Heroes? When I first started, it was Operation 4000, and we threw numbers and goals behind how many we wanted to hire. So I think making it an initiative and giving that initiative metrics is really the way that you can start to make sure that your organizational culture is going to match that.